Hey everybody, so I realized that like my most watched video is me meal planning. So I don't know if you want that every week or if that was just a one-time thing, but I figured I would show you what we're having this week and what I'm going to be cooking. I have salmon and yellow rice that I'm going to cook, chicken parmesan, ham in the crock pot if it's not too expensive this week, either ground turkey or ground chicken meatballs with zucchini noodles, turkey stuffed sweet potatoes, healthy cheeseburger bites, and Instant Pot Hibachi chicken. Alright, I'm going to talk to you about the Ibotta app today because I've made so much money on this app. So I shop at Walmart and Aldi, like I've already said. You click on Walmart and then you click online because I'm doing a pickup. If you do in-store, you just scan your receipt. But so now I just go and I click on all the things that I'm going to be buying. So I scroll through here ahead of time and I find all of the things that I'm going to be buying and I just claim it. Now see, there's usually little deals on here so you can get 2 free. So you have to buy 12. You have to pay attention to like the fine detail, but you buy 12 and you get 2 free. So BOGO, the nuggets are BOGO, you have to buy 2, but you get $6.46 back. Buy them and then the money will come back onto the app. So I'll show you my code. I have made $443 on this app. Right now I have $16.66 in my account. And this is my referral code. So if you pause this and you use my referral code, you get $7 for signing up. After you submit your first receipt, it is amazing. This is not a fluke, it's not a scam. This is really what I have made since I've used this app. It is amazing. I also use Fetch. Fetch is a whole lot easier if you don't want to use Ibotta. So here, see, it's found 2 receipts on here. I've used Amazon and Publix, so I just hit submit. And I have 25 points here and 25 points there. Or you can just scan receipts. You just hit this little button here and then you scan it. You take a picture of your actual receipt and then you swipe this up and you claim your receipt. Let me show you all of my earnings that I've gotten. So this is all of the gift cards that I've claimed in the time that I've had it. I love these apps. And this right here is my Fetch account code. They will give you 1,000 points signing up with this account. I'm telling you, it is amazing. I am not getting paid to say this. I just absolutely love it. Thanks for watching.